The CE-T12VDC1500 is a DC 12-volt single-camera power supply for CCTV cameras. This 1.5 amp 18-watt power supply is ideal for cameras or DC 12-volt devices that draw up to 1.2 amps or 80% of the total output of the power supply. The T12V DC1500 power supply includes numerous built-in safety features such as short and over voltage protection, overcurrent protection, and temperature protection. The power supply also has a flame-retardant, high-temperature resistant PC ABS outer case and is UL listed to the most recent industry-wide safety standards. Other features include a 2.1mm center-positive barrel plug, a 4-foot 24-gauge cable lead, and a Type A 2-prong plug. The CE-T12VDC1500, a DC 12-volt single-camera power supply for CCTV cameras or DC 12-volt devices.